Okay. Okay, good. Good evening, all. First of all, congratulations for all those who have been selected for the next step. We received more than 250 entries, and out of which we have selected all of you. See, those who are not being selected doesn't mean that your idea is not good. Please don't mistake it. As I told you right in the beginning, I don't know how many of you remember that, we have a specific theme for this year. How many of you remember the theme? Can you raise your hands? Okay, quite a few remember the theme. Good. The engineering solution with bytes and bolts, that's the engineering, that's the theme that we are given. So we expected is problem statement that will involve core engineering as well as digital technology. I mean, predominantly those who did not get shortlisted, they have given a pure IT project. We told we don't want a pure IT project. That's not fitting into this theme. It's not. We are not validating that idea. That idea may be great. We are not at all complaining about that idea. So those who are not being selected, please tell them it is absolutely the idea was not evaluated from that point of view. What was fitting into this particular theme? That's what is important for us. Okay. Having said that, I want to now show you a couple of slides. I hope you are able to see my screen. Devika, is my screen visible?
Yes,
Okay.
I can see it.
So this competition, as you are aware, we started in August, and then we conducted a lot of aware webinars. I'm sure you all have attended it. If not, please go through the recordings. It is very important. And then you registered yourself. You went through the pitch your plan, and then we evaluated, and then we shortlisted. So right now we are in the stage 4. Okay. So now we are moving towards the stage 5. That is called cluster finals. So we have more than 60 colleges this year. So the colleges are in different states. As you all know, we have divided them into clusters. There are 5 clusters. So we have given you which cluster you belong to. So we will be conducting 6 finals. Six cluster finals. That will happen sometime in January, late January, and then February. It will happen over the period of 6 weeks. That is the plan. So we will publish the schedule. You have to be ready for that. Okay. Before that, I want all of you. And okay, well, let me complete this. Okay, once the cluster finals are completed, in each cluster final, we'll again be selecting a few teams. Only those selected teams will move to the grand finale, which will happen in March in IIT Madras. Okay. The cluster finals, it's very important. You have to have a working prototype. It is mandatory. You cannot have a theoretical presentation there. You must have a working prototype. You must show a demo. Okay, if it is a complex project, like where you cannot bring it to the table, you must have a video recording, and you should show the judges what is your project all about and how it works. Okay, so that's where it is becoming very critical. So I'm going to talk about that, the rules of that. So that is the expectation from now on. And for that, so each team will have 5 participants. That's what we are given. It is very important. A lot of you have given a topic. In fact, I have spoken to maybe 30, 40 projects at least. We told them that you have to slightly change your scope. See, we do not recommend completely changing the scope. It's only an alignment. You have to add few things or you have to remove few things. For example, a project, I remember I told somebody that the scope that you have mentioned is too big. You cannot do all those things in the given time. So you should cut down your scope and then focus on only this. I have told this to 1 or 2 teams. So remember, take down all those information that we have given you, and then accordingly prepare yourself for the finals. You cannot change the topic completely. Okay, you have to alter the topic as I have given recommendation. That is allowed. You can change a little bit. You can reduce certain cases. In certain cases, you have to increase. I also remember telling somebody to increase the scope. So accordingly, you should make the changes. And second thing is, we are expecting the same team to be present there. So remember that you cannot arbitrarily change the team members. Those who participated in this registration, only they can come. Okay, that's the idea for that exhibition, for the cluster finals. It will be a physical event. You will be called to come to a college in your region, in your geographical region. We'll announce that sometime in January. You'll have to come there, show a demo. There will be judges who will be evaluating. As a team, you have to present your case, and then evaluation will be done. Okay, before we go to the cluster finals, I want you to update the concept and design document. Are you able to see the document on the screen, concept and design document? Can you raise your hand?
Yes, sir, I can see that.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Okay, so this is not a new document, okay, by the way. The same document we asked you to submit for the PYP. Many of you did not submit, actually. Okay, only few of you have submitted. Many of you did not submit. We did not take it seriously because we know you are all doing it. Many of these teams are doing this competition for the first time, so we took it lightly. But this time, that is not going to be the case. This time, this document has to be submitted in 1 month's time. So today is 26th. I want this document to be submitted by 25th December, Christmas. Before you all go on for Christmas and New Year holiday, you must submit the document. We'll give you the information about where to submit the document, or you can send it by email. We'll tell you all those things. But remember that you must start working on it. You have a 5-member team. Everybody should not be focusing on everything. Okay, 1 or 2 people should work on the document. The remaining should work on the prototype. You should divide the work, and all the work should happen in parallel. You cannot tell me that I was working on this document till 20th December, so I could not finish the prototype in January. That's not the expectation. The work has to be divided, and then you have to share the load within the team, and everything should happen in parallel. Somebody should go and do the market analysis, go and do a survey of your customers. So every work has to happen in parallel. So from now on, before middle of January, say the 15th of January, you must all be completely ready. You can be called for the exhibition anytime. So don't give any excuses. No extension there. Okay. What is important is the concept and design document should be completed, updated. You can reserve your questions. After I finish this, you can ask me the question. We'll give you enough time. Okay. So in that concept and design document, I have all the sections are already there. I'm going to highlight what we are going to look for. Those, if you see certain phrases that is being highlighted, we are going to check whether all those things are present. If those things are not present, your submission will be rejected and you will not be called for the cluster final. Remember, it's very, very important. Your document is considered incomplete if you have not addressed these particular points. You are expected to complete the entire document, but these are the key areas. If these key areas are missing, then you will be completely rejected. Your submission will be rejected, however good maybe your project. Okay, remember that the documentation is very, very important. You cannot give a incomplete, half-baked document just like that. I know technology people hate to do documentation, but documentation is very, very important. So I will not make any exceptions here. So first, the problem definition. I'm sure you already have it. That's why you are there. So clearly define the problem. Okay, and then we have asked you to articulate the problem, give background information, provide all those information. But problem definition is absolutely essential. If that section is missing, we are going to use an AI to evaluate this time. So if this is missing, then it will be rejected straight away, saying that yours is an incomplete document. Okay. The next section, you must highlight. See, okay, lot of ideas were exactly a replica of what is there in the market already. I have already pointed out that to many of you. In other cases also, I want to highlight that it is not an issue if you are going to have a solution which is already there in the market, but you must bring a differentiator. You must show what is your unique selling proposition. You must highlight that USP. If you are not highlighting what is your USP, if you are just going to use what is there in the market already, and if you are going to present that as your solution, then also your document will be rejected. Thereby, your project will also get rejected. So your USP has to be clearly articulated. Okay, the next is block diagram. You must provide a high-level diagram of what is your project all about, how the process will work end to end. You must have a section on that. You must clearly explain that. Where it starts and where it ends, who is your customer, how it will work. That block diagram has to be there. We will look for that. Okay. Now relevance to the theme. How the entire project fits into that theme. You must again justify that. And what are the engineering principles you have touched in your project? Highlight what is the core engineering part, what is the digital technology part. You must highlight it. Okay, clearly, and then the business hypothesis. I hope you all remember, we have already given that in the appendix B, what we call it as a business hypothesis. Okay, why do you think our product assists our customer, and what was the intention, and what your difference from your competitor. Okay, so this has to be completed. This section has to be completed and it has to be submitted. Business hypothesis. We will look for this. If this section is not completed, then also we'll consider your submission as incomplete. And next is, you must highlight what industry domain is your project and what technology specialization you're going to use. You can give as many. Your project may be very complex. It may address more than one industry. You write down all the industries. If it is just one industry, you can write down only one and give only one technology. So whatever it may be the case. But this section should be there. What industry and what technology, you must highlight it. Why it is saying you start recording now? I don't know what happened. Okay. So you have to highlight.
Already I'm recording, sir. Sorry to interrupt you.
I again got a request here. Anyway. Okay. Okay. Next is, you must have done a market survey. See, this is very important. I've been telling you, you must talk to the customers. You must talk to your customers. Either you go in person or arrange an online session with them. Whatever it is, you must have done a survey. You must identify your customer segment. Who is your customer? Your customer may be students. Your customer may be the elderly people. Your customer may be doctors. It can be anybody. You must identify who is the customer. You must clearly articulate. You must tell the what sample size. Suppose you are doing a healthcare project. So you should say, I have spoken to 200 doctors. And in which city you went, in which town you went, or which village you went. Suppose your project is about an agriculture, then you must have met farmers. So which village you went and how many, what area was that? You must mention all those things. All those information should be there in the document. And what benefits this project is going to bring, you must mention that. And this is very, very important. As we told you, you must list down all KYC 1, KYC 2, both should be there. Your potential customers, you should list down who are all the customers. So if it is a healthcare project, you should say doctors, you should say lab assistants, whoever is it. Sorry? If there is a question, please wait till as soon as I complete, we'll give you the opportunity. And list down your competitors. Competitors, you should exactly name the competitors. If you don't want to name the competitors, at least tell what segment they are operating. Okay. I think you should name the competitors. I mean, if they are publicly listed company, and if it is there, if they are in the market, you must mention who are your competitors. Okay. So both should be there. So there is a slight change in the format of this document. We will circulate this document to everybody. You must follow this version of it. And technology readiness level, again, we have given that information in the appendix A. So you should be at the level 4 for this. For the finals, you should be at the level 5. But for this, we expect you to be at least at level 4. And then your project cover all those things. What licenses will be required? You must provide an estimate of the cost. Okay, it need not be accurate, but you must have an idea whether it will cost you a few thousand rupees, or it will cost you a few lakhs, or it will cost you a few crores. You should know what exactly it is. You can give a range. It can work out in the range of this, that is fine, but you must mention that. Okay, please go through this document. It's very important. Okay, and all the other informations are generally we like you to keep it very short. Don't keep it make it very big. Maximum 10 pages. Don't. Of course, if you have collected too many data, you can keep it as a separate document. You can give a video also for data collection, video, audio, whatever it is that you can proof for your data collection. We will give you a folder where you can upload all those information. All those you will get that details during January before the actual submission. Okay, and this is the appendix A where we talk about the technology readiness level. So you should be at the level 4. You should have tested it in your lab. Your lab means in the development environment, whether if it is a robot or if it is anything that you are testing it in your controlled environment. That's what we call it as the lab. You must have tested it there. So that's what we are expecting. It cannot be in paper. That's the bottom line. It cannot be just a proof of concept. It cannot be just a document. You cannot show it in the document and say, this is my project. There must be a component. If it is a software, you must show a prototype. If it is anything else, you should show something working. Okay, this is Appendix A, and Appendix B, I've already shown you the business hypothesis. Okay, now we'll open it for questions. Yeah, please go ahead and ask any questions. Yeah. Shivakumar, DGST, I think you wanted to ask a question. Yeah, go ahead, Jiteshwaran. You can unmute and ask.
Good evening, sir. This is Jiteshwaran from REC College, sir. So I have a doubt that my project is purely on software basis. Plus, we are having kiosk also for that app. That is related to tourist as well as village persons. Name is called Veda actually. So our project, how we can enhance? You said me that your project need to be enhanced at level 4.
Yeah, you should be tested it. Yeah, you should tested it, and then you should show a demo.
You are asked us for survey, sir.
Sorry?
How we can get it? Survey, sir.
Sorry, survey. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Data collection. You have asked us, but how sir we can bring it up? Like asking via G forms, asking via videos like that. We need to prepare, sir.
You must have done a survey, customer survey.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. The next, somebody else also raised. Yeah. Sai Vignesh. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm from JP Institute of Technology.
Uh-huh.
So we have already completed our ugly type prototype. Is it okay to come up with ugly type prototype, or we must complete it into a complete product for the
No,
customer?
no, we don't expect a complete product.
Okay, sure.
If you have a complete product, we are glad to see that. We are happy to see
Okay.
that. But for this, we are expecting a prototype. If you have more than that, we are happy. See, we are always happy to see more. We are unhappy to see less.
Sure, sir. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions? I'm very surprised that very few questions are coming. Are you all very clear? I'm very, it's very shocking to me. Very few questions. Please remember, the concept and design document will be given very high importance. The document has to be complete. We will not accept excuses, because if you are not able to explain in document what you have done, then you're not done up. You're not doing justice to your project. So definitely you must. And today's world, documentation is no big deal at all. So you must be able to submit a completed document with all the information that is required, and be ready to answer the questions. Okay.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. Yes. Good evening.
Sir, actually, my project is about railway gate control system that we used in
About what?
that was a new technology. Railway gate control system, sir.
Oh yeah.
So actually, you told us that we have to do survey on your project, right? So where we have to ask where we have to take the survey from?
You chose the topic, so you should find out where you have to. So if it is,
Actually, it means we have to go to the people who stays near the
of course,
railway station.
yes,
It means those who
yeah.
cross
If it
those
is a railway
lines.
gate, yeah, if it is a railway gate, then who's using the railway gate? You must talk to them. The people who are using the crossing, or you should
Yeah,
talk to the
okay.
railway.
And also, can we take the feedback from the people who are working in railway station, right, sir? It
Of
means
course,
for signal,
yeah,
that will also
definitely,
will be very helpful, I think so.
yes,
That is
correct.
what I want to ask, sir.
Yeah. You take feedback. See, whoever is going to be your potential customer, or who is going to be benefited by your project, you must give that information.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. See, a lot of you have taken problem statement from Smart India Hackathon. I know that. We did not object to that. Okay, we are okay with that. But remember that those problem statements are quite familiar with all the judges. So they will ask you very pointed questions. So you must be really thorough with the solution. You cannot just give a what you call super proof answer. Just give one or two points and get away. They will expect you to give a very thorough solution. So those who have taken the problem statement from Smart India Hackathon, remember that the expectations are very high. Okay, Shravani Kumari, yeah, go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Shravani from Fifth Grade Engineering College.
Yes.
Sir, our project title is groundnut harvesting machine. We didn't build a prototype, sir, as our product cost is so much higher. Is that also, sir, with the POC?
Sorry?
Sir, our product, we can't just build a product, sir, because it takes so much of cost. Is it okay to present our solution with POC, proof of
Yeah,
concept?
yeah. See, we are expecting only a proof of concept. I told you, right? We are not expecting the product. We are only expecting a proof of concept.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Hey, by the way, a lot of people will come and tell me I cannot test my product. You must have done a simulation. You cannot simply say, I cannot test my product, so I have not tested it. That is not acceptable. There must be a simulated way of testing the product. Okay. So whether it is an agriculture project or a drone, whatever it may be, you must have done some testing. Some testing must have happened, and you must demonstrate that what kind of testing was done. Last year and the year before, we had this experience. People will simply come and say that, sir, this is a project that works only underwater. I cannot test it. If it works underwater, you must have simulated it. You must do some simulation. Go to over a tank and do some simulation, whatever it is, and show it. So you cannot simply come without any testing. That is not acceptable. Some testing has to be done. Yeah, Guru Prasad, go ahead.
Hello? Hello,
Yeah.
sir. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Simulation can be in software, sir, like Kansas.
Simulation can be in software, but how do I know that if it is like a game, then what will happen?
That's ready proof only, no, sir.
Huh?
It's also a ready proof only, no, sir. Kind of temperature testing.
Okay, see, you have to
We are
convince the
optimizing
judges.
temperature in our project, sir.
Okay, so you have to convince the judges. If you think that you can convince the judges, I am okay with that.
Fine, sir. Fine. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Guru. Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah. Yes, good evening.
Sir, we are from Mysore. My
Yes.
problem is I am doing project on this smart ambulance system, sir. So if I do
Sorry?
survey, smart ambulance system, tracking system.
Uh-huh.
So if I do survey of that, I have to take pictures of it, or I have to make the document of survey also, sir.
See, if you do a survey, there must be evidence that you have done the survey.
Yes, sir. Like in the form of pictures and also.
Sorry, pictures. Yeah, pictures is fine. Questionnaires are fine. Or video recording, anything that will tell us that you have really done the survey.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. Kavya. Go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So, sir, regarding data collection video, how exactly should it be done? Like our product is eco filter for nature, so how can we collect data from customers are the people who use vehicles and product is useful for capturing harmful gases. So how is data collection done?
I mean, in your case, data collection is very important. Okay.
Yes.
Do you know they closed down a factory in Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu? Do you know that?
Yes.
Why did they close down? So you must have a mechanism to collect data. In your case, it's extremely important. You must have a mechanism to collect data. Yeah. Keshav, yeah.
So actually, my doubt was that our project is like majorly based on 3D printing our idea, sir. So our project is redesigned hydration packs for marathon runners. So
Sorry, I didn't get it. What is that?
sir, it is redesigned hydration packs for marathon runners, sir. So it is majorly based off 3D printing the product. So I had a doubt regarding via for the exhibition, do we have to be ready with the 3D printed product, or is a prototype similar to that is fine, sir?
Prototype. We see, I'm repeating this third time. We are only looking for prototype. Okay,
sir.
we are not looking for the end product. Your concept should be there, and you must have a prototype to demonstrate the concept. And the prototype also can be focused on a part of your solution. The entire solution also need not be there. If you're able to show a part of your solution also, we can accept that. But if you have not, if it cannot be only in paper, that's what we are saying. You cannot just show theoretical. Just a theory alone will not be accepted.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Keshav, yeah.
Yes.
That's all. Thank you.
Yes.
Any other questions? I hope all of you are clear on what is expected. This document, we will circulate it right after this call. All the teams will get the copy of this document. This is only a template, okay? You must fill in each section. I have given you what is expected. Some people are using the same thing. The title should be the same, of course. You can add more also. I'm happy to see more information, but don't delete what is already there. Okay, but the content you have to change it. You have to put your content here so that we can go through it and understand what you are trying to do. And submit it only as a PDF. Please don't put it this as a. Some people are putting it as a PPT. Some people are putting. I don't want that way. So just keep it as a Word document or any other document and submit this as a PDF. PDF is good enough for us. Yeah, Vaishnavi, go ahead.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, presently our product is deployed in some village, sir, Onion Depot.
Good.
So we have to take our product and to present in a presentation, or else it is okay with photos and videos. Because it will be there in some village, sir. Actually the testing is completed, but the people is asked to stay there some months. So we told okay.
Is it a big one or a small one?
It is somewhat big, sir. It's like a wooden box, somewhat big.
I think we should discuss this. We will discuss that separately.
Okay, sir.
Next week you reach out to Mr. Robin. Okay.
Oh, it's okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, whatever project that we are targeting, that is deployed on the Jetson Nano. So the entire system we are trying to build. So is it required to take the entire system to there, or what? Whenever the
Where is it
presentation is
deployed?
there? Jetson Nano, sir.
Sorry.
Jetson Nano board, sir. For prototyping, we have built. Yes, sir. So with the Jetson Nano, a screen and entire thing is there, sir. The entire system is there. So should we need to take the entire system to their location or video?
Okay,
Hello.
you also reach out to Mr. Robin next week. We would like to see that first, and then we'll take a decision on that.
We have a result. We results are ready with us because like we have tested something, basic things we have tested, and those basic things, the entire setup is there, sir. Hardware setup is there, sir.
So next week we will have a call on this, and then we'll discuss it.
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay. Any other questions? Okay, if no more questions, thank you. Yeah.
Sir, why should we submit this PDF?
No, we'll give you all those information. You get ready with the video first. We'll give you all the information in January. You have time for that. This document alone, you have to submit it by Christmas. Please don't ask for any extension. don't tell me that you're going on vacation. I'm telling you right away, because I have to evaluate. I have to get a lot of people to evaluate this document. So if you submit it by December 25th, I will evaluate, and then we'll identify who has done a complete job. Only those will be invited for the exhibition. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you so much, and all the best. We're looking forward to meet all of you in person in January. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.